Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy envelope out of a square sheet of paper. If you don't have a square sheet, you can make one by folding it diagonally. And if you're a child, get an adult to help you because scissors are dangerous and you can hurt yourself really badly. So please, if you're a child, get an adult to help you for this. And you're going to want to cut off the extra piece. When you do that, you'll end up with a square piece of paper. This is one I pre-cut, so it's different than the other size, but it's square. So the first one, you're going to want to fold it up evenly. Just leave a little gap on each side, nice and even. Then you're going to want to fold this and this kind of evenly. Just like that. And obviously you do this with a bigger square sheet than this. And there you go. You have a quick, oops, you gotta put that inside of that. So just kind of tuck that inside. There you go. You got a quick envelope. So you can stick something in there. There you go. Tape it down, you're good to go. There's a quick and easy 30-second envelope.